Hey guys, it's me, Kiana here. I stole Hiccups City and his room. I just decided to. I'm like, I didn't do nothing. Anyway, oh my god, Hiccup, your chair is so freaking high up. Like, how can you stand this? Anyway, just trying to record and I just went, nope. That was for playing a prank on us this morning. And I stole his headset too. I kind of just took everything in his room. But anyway, I've got to get glasses, and I've got to get braces soon. I want to be more of a nerd than I already am. Not good. Kitty, what are you doing? Kitty? I don't know if you can see it, but there's this kitty. Come here, kitty. Really? You're not gonna come? Fine. What? Come on. Hang on. Where's that necklace? Kitty loves that necklace. I know that. Kitty, come here. No? Okay. Look at this crappy little iPad he's got. Yeah, this video should be called Bad News and Good News and Stealing Hiccups stuff. He does, he sits on this tiny little chair, it's funny. We always steal his room for videos because it's fun. And he gets annoyed. Trying to fix my hair on camera. Rule number 1 of acting, you never do that. Unless it's in the script. Whoa. That cat is going crazy. Anyway, yeah, I've got to get braces, and, you know how I was talking about Ethan that one day? He's a freaking jerk. Yep. I really don't like him. I dumped him one day because he wanted to take his friends on a date. I was like, oh, you did not. I can't stick you straight. Anyway, I was like, oh, you didn't. And so I moved on to somebody else, but I'm not going to say the name. But probably everybody on Instagram already knows. Oh god. And Facebook. I'm so sorry. Chris, I'm gonna kill you. I don't know. Regular show! Sorry. I like regular show. I'm gonna sit because it hurts my knees. Whoa. I have to bend down like this. So, yeah. I'm a bit hyper today. I had coffee. Hang on. I want to see if I can make my eyes cross-eyed. I'll check it in the video because I can't see it. I can do a lot of crazy things when I'm on coffee. Come, my velociraptors. Oh my god, I don't sit on this thing. I tied him up out there in the living room. I don't want him coming in. Yay. Fun. I'm hyper today. There's no stopping it. Well, I'm gonna go be partnered with YouTube. Bye. Oh, cat. Cat. Kitty. Kitty. Look at me. Oh, it's okay. It's being so adorable. Bye.